What is going on YouTube? It is your boy Zab. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today's Monday. Made about 2% on the day. $190.32. If you can let it zoom here. $190.32 here. On my Weibo playing spy calls. And I just wanted to share with you guys in this video what I did and what my strategy was, what my pre-market analysis was, and just help you guys kind of get into my brain as to what the thought process was. I try to make these short videos so the new traders are out there who can learn from me and implement that in your trading. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna drag this chart over. Okay, chart, there you go. You can see the chart now, and let's talk about what we did today. So first things first, I went on the 5-minute chart and I started to draw my support and my resistance lines, which was there was a support right here, there was a resistance right here. If you're not sure what they are, basically we're looking for a price bounce and the price going up from a certain point multiple times in the past is called a support. On the other hand, the resistance is if a price is rejecting on the top side multiple times its resistance. Okay, my box strategy is supply and demand. It's a very similar idea. Supply is where the price gets rejected on the downside. Demand is where the price gets supported on the upside. Okay, so I had this box here, okay, which was previously there was a huge drop on Friday pre-market from this box. So I was thinking, as long as we are above this box, this was a supply box, right? This was a supply box. I wanted this box to turn into a demand box. After it, from a supply box to a demand box, it's a break and retest of this box. I wanted to go on the upside. All right, so that's something that I was focused on today. And then I draw my support resistance lines. I start seeing a little bit of a uptrend. Okay, I start seeing a little bit of an uptrend from the pre-market and yesterday's low. So that's something that we can take into the consideration. So a couple things, right? The stock is going in the uptrend. Okay, it did break the previous supply box. It turned it into a demand box, right? The break and retest of this zone right here. And I was thinking that right around here, this is going to go up and I'm going to make my money. All right, so on open, on the 1-minute chart, if you take a look, let's talk about what the candles did and how the candles were forming. On the 1-minute chart on 9:30, this is my box area. On 9:30, you saw this candle that go into the box. Now here, it could have just rejected it right back, but it could have bounced it on the trend line up here. That's one scenario that could have happened, right? In this case, it broke the box and it rejected it right here. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna draw a line over here to see how it works. Okay, on this particular line. So, but then when it came back down, right? When it came back down and it closed above this box, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna start adding to my calls position. So I went into calls and I added to my calls when it retested on this candle right here. Okay, see that red candle? When it came back into that box, turning that supply box into the demand box, I went heavier into calls, and I just kept adding calls on this candle and on this candle. Okay, and I believe I got profited out somewhere around 470, 135. It's a very clean, very easy trade. I don't like to stay in the market for too long. I don't care to. If I make my profit, my 2% on the day, on one trade, I'm done for the day. I go back, I go to my job. I'm a software engineer. Okay, so that's what I do, and that's all I needed from the day was about $190. Okay, it is a Monday. We're gonna start small, start slow. Another thing that you can do and take out of this video is look how nicely this zone is supported. Okay, look how nicely this zone is being supported here. Look at the bounce, 1 bounce and then 2 bounce. Okay, you know, you could have played a double top. That means a double top is a zone of resistance, you know. So if you're seeing something go on the up, right, and you're seeing it got rejected one time, you can say, you know what, next time it comes into this zone, I am going to go in puts, you know, and then your take profit could be down here, right? So that's something that you could have done too, you know. But this area was very important to me, and calls was the move, you know. Calls was the move. Break, retest, again retest, and then on the upside, right? Would have been nice if this had gone all the way up higher, but you know, you win some, you don't win some big ones. All right, that's all I have for you guys today. You know, that's all I got for you guys today. We want to keep trading simple. We want to keep trading nice and easy. We don't want to overcomplicate it, you know. And we want to try to make small jabs in the market and try to see if we can make as much as money as possible without seeing a whole lot of red days. All right, that's all I have for you guys today. Hopefully you have a great day, have a great week. We're almost at the end of the New Year's. December is going super well, and I couldn't be happier. And let's just keep this energy going, and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below what do you guys think of these daily uploads, or almost daily uploads, and what do you guys think of my weekend uploads. You know, I take a little bit more time in those and talk about my strategies and what I'm looking for and trading psychology, all that good stuff. All right, have a great day, have a great week. Until next time, bye bye.